In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a feature film in 3 months. And I'm going to do it by showing you exactly how I did it on my second feature film, West of Sunshine. Now, if you're missing any one of these steps, it's not going to work. And if you do it out of order, it's also not going to work. So let's dive in. First thing you need is a team of 3 people. So you and 2 others. It can be any combination of writer, producer, director, DP, actor, production designer. I would say it should be one of those 6 because they're going to have the most kind of influence and contribution on the production of the film. Second thing, you need a script. Start with an idea, a very simple idea. Make sure it's a good idea. So pitch it to your 2 team members, see if they're on board with it. Once you agree on the idea, take it to a 1-page outline, send that to them, get feedback from your peers, then go to a 10-page outline. Once that's approved, move to a treatment. So write out the script, but in prose. Then from there, go to a screenplay. And you can do that over the 3 months leading up to shooting the film. You don't need the script right at the start. You should go through that process to get the script ready. Now, if I were you, I'd stick to a very simple hero's journey 3-act structure because it's going to give you a very simple, proven formula that you can use to write and craft the script. Next, you need money. So if you're going to get a film into production this fast, you need to contribute the finance yourself or go and get it from family and friends. Now, when we were making this film, one of the things that happened for us is when we were going around to locations to try and get locations for the film, we actually met someone, the owner of one of the locations that we didn't know, and he ended up investing in the film. So money could come from other areas, but the fastest way for you to get the money is to contribute it yourself or yourselves with your team, and then approach family and friends, try and get some, and then just keep your ears open, keep your pitch going. Like whenever you meet someone, pitch them the film. You don't have to pitch them to invest, but see, and if they show an interest, then maybe it could lead to them investing in the film. Next, you need people. So start with hiring your key cast, your lead actors, and then your heads of department. Once you have them all locked in, hire below. What you can do is get your heads of department to bring in their team. That way they're going to be working with people that they know, and it's also going to decrease the amount of hiring that you actually need to do given it's such a short time frame. Next, you need equipment. So see if any of the crew can come with their own equipment, but if they can't, then you're going to want to go and cut deals with those camera houses, lighting houses, sound houses, and see what kind of deal you can cut. See if you can get any sponsorship or in-kind support, given, if you're shooting this thing in 3 months, it's going to be a micro budget film. Next, you need locations. The best way to get locations is to use locations that you already have access to. So you would want to make a list of all the locations at your disposal, and maybe there are team members who have locations available as well. So you want to put it out to them, let everyone know what you're looking for, see what you can immediately get access to. Then if there are certain locations that you can get access to but maybe aren't in the script, see if you can sub out some of the locations from the script to the locations that you actually have. Because again, this is just going to decrease the amount of time that you need to spend location scouting. And then finally, organize some nice food for the cast and crew because they're going to be going through a very short, sharp, probably painful experience making a feature film in a very short time frame. So you want to make sure they're well fed. All right, so that's it for this video. See you on the next one.